Lofty versus Close 2025. Which real estate CRM is smarter? Real estate professionals know that a smart CRM can boost sales and savers every week. But which is better in 2025, Lofty or Close? Lofty is built for lead generation and property management. Most people get this wrong. They assume all CRMs just store contacts, but Lofty automates follow-ups, scored leads based on engagement, and integrates with Mul's listings. You won't believe what happens next. It even predicts which clients are ready to buy or sell, helping agents focus on the hottest prospects. Close is an AI-driven CRM designed for relationship management. It pulls data from email, calls, texts, and social media, creating a single client timeline. Close also sends reminders, suggests next steps, and prioritizes contacts based on opportunity. For busy agents, it's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Pricing differs. Lofty is generally better for smaller teams focused on transactions, while Close is ideal for larger teams or agents managing multiple client relationships across channels. Both support mobile apps, but Close AI capabilities give it an edge for deep insights and automation. So, which is smarter? If your goal is lead generation and sales tracking, Lofty is excellent. If relationship management and AI-powered insights matter most, Close comes out ahead. The surprising truth is that the right CRM can multiply your productivity and sales, but the smartest choice depends on how you work and the relationships you need to nurture.